Hi friends, how are you? I hope you all are very fine. Welcome in Resonance English School, Shirat Shahpur, Taluka Aunda Ragnath, District Hingoli. In this English listening and speaking program, in Maharashtra, the days of festivity are in the western Maharashtra, Mumbai region, the festival of Gauri and Ganpati is going on. In Marathwada and Vidarbha region, Gauri and Ganpati are there. But here, the festival of Gauri is called as Mahalakshmi festival. This is very traditional festival, and actually this festival of Mahalakshmi is related to apparently God, but it is related to our life. The two effigies of Mahalakshmis are installed. In the rural area, they are very famous by the name Lakshma. So at the same time, this goddess is the goddess of prosperity. And if we see what Naivedyam is prepared, that Naivedyam has so many vegetables, then curry, then dal, then chutneys, then pickles, and at the same time, very famous Puran Poli of Maharashtra. At the same time, the grass which is available, the grass leaves, and at the same time various leaves just like agada and kena, they are also just laid on the statue of Mahalakshmi's, and the devotion towards nature is given there. That's simply the shrubs, and the leaves of the shrubs are also very important. And at the same time, it is shown through that somewhere the nature and the small shrubs and bushes which are present in nature, the plants also, which are mostly neglected, but they are respected, and at the same time they get directly the place at the feet of God. In simple, this festival mainly aspires from rural area because the month of Shravan is very auspicious month, and then the Bhadrapada comes, and in Bhadrapada Ganesh, Gauri, Mahalakshmi are there. So these festivals definitely aspire the social communication. Nowadays, the decorations are there, pomp and show is done, but mainly for women, this festival is dedicated. Undoubtedly, women have to work hard here inside home, in the kitchen. But as far as our experience is, the women never take it as a burden. Somebody may say, this is not the advanced one where the women work hard. But somewhere this festival shows that the women are the great force, and without them any family is incomplete. So they should be due respected. This is very important. And somewhere we have the great enthusiasm in those days, as this enthusiasm can be seen among Muslims in Ramzan month, or among Christians in Christmas week, in the month of December. So therefore, spatially, these are very holy things which give definitely you a certain relaxation, mentally, may not physically. Spiritually, you are exalted, no doubt. This year, COVID-19, the pandemic is going on. Definitely the programs here are not festivated on a large scale, but inside the home, people are celebrating and observing by taking the whole care. And we may say, this is nothing but the incarnation of Chaitanya. Chaitanya is nothing but the energy of the soul. And that energy of the soul is given by this festival. Okay, so you must say that somewhere, what's about our listening? Yes, we have just listened to the importance of festivals in Maharashtra, the Mahalakshmi festival. We know about Ganesha, but we celebrate about Mahalakshmi, but lessly spoken on that one. That's why I have taken this topic for listening. Okay, friends, listening practice we have been having through these videos, surely. Just listen to them carefully. You may have the different terms here, the different words, vocabulary I am using very moderately, as the words must get to you in a way, in a fraction. Not the flurry of words should be there, the galaxy of words should be there. Because I feel we have been preparing our ears now, and when our ears are prepared, then definitely you may be able to listen to any type of listening material. So therefore, if you want to have the listening practice, then definitely you may select another technique for that sake. Our Android has a recording facility. Just call to your teacher, or the teacher can initiate this particular program. The student has to ask the question from the other side by phoning, and the teacher has to give answer in English, at least in 8 to 10 sentences to that question. It can be possible that the teachers can give questions to the students, and the students have to ask them. These questions can be related to the study also. And if 2 questions the students ask, and if the teacher responds in 17 or 18 sentences to those particular 2 questions, then definitely the students will learn the students will listen to, and that would also be a good listening practice. And that practice could also just lead towards handling of the Android phone as far as listening practice is concerned. Therefore, you can have that one. For example, Miss, I just do. The student asks the question, "Sir, how long this pandemic will go on?" I will just answer in this tone. You see, beta, pandemic is not the short-term thing. Pandemic is nothing but a viral one. And at the same time, any pandemic which is there in the world, or which were there in the world, the pandemics, they never ended up in 4 months or 5 months. They take at least 1 year or 2 years. There are many scientific reasons for that are responsible, but pandemics surely end. This is the reality. At the same time, beta, you see, we have been doing a lot of efforts for that. Our researchers are doing a lot of efforts for that. And at the same time, we have a good response towards this particular pandemic. So therefore, our doctors are fighting, our administration is fighting, our police people are fighting. We are also fighting by wearing masks, by using hand sanitizer, and at the same time by keeping social distance. So therefore, you may not hope that this pandemic will end soon. It does not mean you should get discouraged over that one. You have to keep courage. You pay attention to your study. You pay attention to your online teaching. And at the same time, your father and mother are very able to face this particular situation. That's why, means, you should not care about. So in this way, means, you can take a question is answered in detail by the teacher. The student will definitely have a good listening practice to that one, and he will be able to use the cell phones quite ably. So this technique you must adopt with your teachers, and the teachers who are listening to this particular video, at least they can select 5 or 10 students daily, and they can speak with them for half an hour. If in this online era, if you do this particular practice while teaching online also, then that will also provide a good listening practice. So therefore, just stand up, have the responsibility on your shoulder, and just start to work. In the same words of Swami Vivekananda, we can take this message. So therefore, I just stop here by taking your permission. And again, I am thankful to Raisins English School. I am Mahesh Penke in program Listening and Speaking, run by Raisins English School, Shirat Shahapur, district Hingoli. If you like my videos, and at the same time, if you want to subscribe this channel, please subscribe. Definitely, for 90 days, you will have different types of interpretations here and different types of programs. I promise related to that one. Thank you very much. Thank you.